promise to break it down. Some glow stick chemistry, that is. Don't try this at home.
Safety first, as always. Glow sticks are made up of a brittle inner tube and a plastic outer tube. The inner tube contains a fluorescent dye called a fluorophore, and the outer tube contains a hydrogen peroxide solution.
Now for the fun part, let's mix them.
It's not until these chemicals combine that the reaction happens. This is why you have to bend the glow stick, snapping the brittle tube inside so that the chemicals mix together. This chemical reaction releases energy, which causes the fluorophore to emit light. This is called fluorescence.
For the full episode, click the link below.